The universe is performing miracles for you. When you get clear on exactly what you want, everything you need to obtain your vision is set in motion. Anything out of harmony with your vision will slip away. Let it. New people and powerful new opportunities are entering your life. Show up every day with a good attitude and faith in the divine path ahead of you. This positive attitude will continue to open doors that you did not know existed. Type yes if you needed this, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you all.